fellow citizens, I bring you together today to discuss an important injustice in our society. That of limited snacks. Whensoever does limited snacking inhibit our ability to grow our bellies, therein grow injustice. Indeed, I beseech you, gentlemen and ladies, lick your paws and raise them high.
Madam President,
Indeed.
I have a question.
Speak.
Could you raise your hands up to the air and wave them like you just don't care?
But sir, I do care for snacking. Snacking. Snacking.